Discover how an AI chatbot can revolutionize your cleaning service. This demo shows a live Asyntai AI assistant answering customer inquiries instantly, demonstrating its capabilities for booking, service inquiries, and more. See how easily it integrates and answers questions using your own website content. Many potential customers struggle to find specific cleaning service details quickly online. We'll now ask real questions about cleaning services and see the AI's live responses. The chat bubble you see is the entire AI assistant for your business. Let's start with the most fundamental question. Can artificial intelligence actually manage the complexities of booking appointments for your cleaning services and ensure seamless operations? Here's the response from the AI. Yes, AI excels at managing cleaning service bookings. It integrates seamlessly with your calendar, letting you define services and availability. You can also connect to popular external booking platforms. This allows customers to book directly through the chat interface. Now, beyond just taking bookings, it's crucial to understand how this AI truly grasps the nuances of diverse cleaning tasks and requirements. Let's see what the chatbot says now. Your AI chatbot learns by analyzing your website content and any documents you upload. You can also provide direct instructions and FAQs to shape its understanding of your cleaning services. This ensures your customers receive accurate and relevant information tailored precisely to your business. As we navigate through your cleaning service site, the AI chat remains accessible. Furthermore, a key selling point for many businesses is the ability to provide tailored pricing. Let's see if the chatbot can generate personalized cleaning quotes. The AI's answer is right here. Setup takes about 5 minutes. You sign up, connect your site, and configure pricing. You can instruct it with rules for common requests or integrate with existing tools for real-time pricing. The AI then delivers tailored quotes directly in the chat or guides users for complex needs. Customers often have unique needs. What happens when a client presents a special request that deviates from standard service offerings? This is what the bot provided. No matter the specifics, your AI can be guided. It can gather details, offer preset solutions, or seamlessly connect customers to human support. Complex requests can even leverage custom tools for real-time data. Every response you've seen so far comes directly from your cleaning service's own website content. Finally, for businesses considering this technology, the practical question arises: what is the typical investment required to integrate an AI chatbot into their cleaning service operations? See the chatbot's latest reply. Asyntai offers flexible plans to fit your cleaning services needs, starting with a free option. Our starter plan at $39 per month includes smart AI and integrations, perfect for growing businesses. For advanced features like bookings and live monitoring, the standard plan is $139, with a pro plan available for larger operations. See this AI chatbot in action for cleaning services? Try Asyntai free at asyntai.com. No credit card required. Experience firsthand how it can answer customer questions and capture leads for your business.